guys, welcome back to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing a dance piece called Titswalo. Let's get started. This was our last movement. Fa, da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, right? Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ba, ba, da, da. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, sha, ba, sha, da, 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 ha, ha. Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, 1, jump, ba, jump, ba. Again, from this movement, ba, ba, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, da, 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 da. Let's combine all the movements from the top till the end with the music.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, up, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, ah, ah, eh, eh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Bye.